Nicole Perry here from Sunkissed Adventures. I've been seeing a lot of people posting about these Universal Yums snack boxes, and I thought it would be an interesting angle to add into my travel business, since each box features a different country from around the world, and it's packed with snacks from that specific country. So I thought I would sign up, thanks to some of my friends who have also done it, and see what our box has in store. I don't know what the country is this month. I literally just got this on my doorstep, so you'll kind of find out with me. So this is the box. I got the middle-sized box. They have a small one, this one, and then a much larger one. I figured this would be a good size for my family of 4 to share snacks. So here we go. There's a little sticker on here that says where people learn to listen to their hearts. I'm guessing maybe that's a clue. It looks like a guy with a beret, so maybe these snacks are from France, is what I'm guessing. And I'm right. So first it comes with a little image with different, I guess, regions from where the different snacks came from. So you can see that. I'm not sure scale-wise if you can see that. And then on the back, there's just a few little things. You can rate the snacks that you got in the box. Best, second, worst, weirdest. They've got a little secret puzzle here. And I guess some myths and facts about food that's actually from France. So French or faux, very cute play on words there. And then the next thing is this little booklet. I guess it just goes into snapshots of the country, information on France, foods and flavors, holidays. So it's a nice little introduction. It's a way to introduce geography to your kids, since that tends to get shifted a little bit aside in schools now because of everything else. There's a trivia page. And then I guess it goes ahead and breaks down each snack, a little bit about it, about the ingredients. So got those pages, and some more little activities to do. About this one is French painters, here French fashion, and browsing the bibliothèque. So I'm guessing French literature there. So the first snack, it looks like their version of a cheese snack. I don't read French, so I don't know what it says, but I do say fromage, and I know that's cheese. And we have, looks like potato chips that are cheese-based also. So I'll be interested to try that. I do happen to love cheese myself. These are French dusted truffles. I am guessing these are like vinaigrette chips, just based on the vinaigrette written here, which I like salt and vinegar chips, so I think I might like that one. These are like a fruit candy. They almost look like Mentos to me in a way. My kids will probably like those. A mini roll, it looks like maybe raspberry flavor. A truffles bar, cocoa, French cacao truffles, yum. This is a yum bag, which I'll open in just a second. There's more things in here. These look like butter biscuits, also sounds like another yum to me. And the dark chocolate sea salt chocolate bar. Okay, I'm really liking everything in here. We'll see if it tastes just as good as everything looks. Okay, so in the yum bag is sweets. It says, you know the phrase, good things come in small packages. The yum bag is that phrase embodied. So let's see what's in the little yum bag. These are, I don't even, this says cola on it, like a cola taffy, I'm guessing. There's a few of those. These look like caramels. And these, I don't know. Tête brûlée. I don't even know the maybe peach, P-E-C-H-E. Again, I don't know French, so I don't know how to interpret some of these, but I'm just going based off of what it sounds like to me. So all in all, there's 12 little candies in the Yum bag. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 snacks. So I figured this medium box would be nice for my family. So I will be back later. I might film me and my kids and my husband trying some of these snacks with our feedback. So bye, have a good day.